Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add payment method on system.io. First, go and log in to your account. Once inside the dashboard, on the top right corner, click on your profile. Then, go to Settings. Once inside the Settings, on the left panel, go to Payment Gateways. Then in here, you will see different payment methods that you can connect to. For example, is PayPal. Just go and click on the connect button beside it. Now it will bring you to this connection. So type in your email address and your country, then click next. Now go ahead and log in to your PayPal account. After that, click on this allow button. Now you just need to fill the different information that PayPal needs to continue. After that, click on the next button. Then just go and proceed on the connection. But that's just basically it. You can go ahead and connect on other payment method if you'd like to. And that's how you add payment method on system.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.